This factory produces 4,000 Coke cans every minute. And here's how it's done. Intro. Coca-Cola is the world's most famous soda, with 2.2 billion servings sold daily. But how does it go from a secret syrup recipe to the iconic red can? Today we'll reveal the high-tech robotic process most people never see. Chapter 1. The Secret Syrup. It starts with Coke's legendary Merchandise 7X, a flavor blend locked in a vault since 1886. Workers combine it with high fructose corn syrup and filtered water in giant stainless steel tanks. Fun fact, the original recipe contained real cocaine. Today, it's just caffeine and vanilla. Chapter 2. Carbonation Science. Next, the syrup moves to carbonation chambers, where CO2 is injected at 5 times atmospheric pressure. Too much gas, the soda tastes sharp. Too little, it's flat. Robots test every batch for perfect fizz. Chapter 3. Can Frenzy. Empty cans arrive at 1,200 per minute. They're washed with ionized air to remove dust, then filled with Coke in a blink-and-you-miss-it process. Chapter 4. Packaging Robots. The cans get their iconic red labels via high-speed printers. Then 12-pack boxes are folded, glued, and loaded by machines that never tire. Fun fact, Coke spends $4 billion per year on aluminum cans. If you enjoyed this factory tour, hit like and subscribe for more secrets behind everyday products.